So as you can see, we're inside my dashboard, and it was about a week ago that I set this up. I haven't touched it since, and I've already generated over $581 in commissions on complete autopilot, complete passive income. And again, this only took 10 minutes to set up. And to show you how I did it, all you gotta do is watch this. If you want to grow on YouTube, be sure to subscribe because I share with you the same easy methods that I used to grow. And for those who've been asking, yes, my YouTube Masterclass course is available again, where you get the same methods I used to grow a brand new channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in a month. And you also learn how to monetize your channel the way I do to generate automated income just like this. And to get access to that content, all you have to do is click the link in the description. And you can even see the results YouTubers in the course are sharing. What's going on? Today I'm going to show you something pretty awesome, and it's a follow-up from a video I did the other day. People were asking questions about it to see if I was still earning money from this simple thing I set up in about 10 minutes. But real quick, let me go ahead and show you that affiliate dashboard again so you can see it's legit, it's real. Let me open it up. So here it is. It's the Sprizzy affiliate program. I'll explain what that is here in a second. If we go just to dashboard, I'm going to click on that. And then this is just a welcome message. I'm going to close that out so it's easier to see everything on screen. But here it is again, $581. And the best part is this is reoccurring. So let me explain. Let's go under conversions and we'll go under customers. These are actually the conversions, the sales coming in. But these are the people. These are the customers. And I'm going to get 20% commission on these customers reoccurring for 12 months. So you can see page after page after page of these. So anytime they use Sprizzy's platform, and as they come in through my affiliate link, I'm gonna earn commission. As you can see how many I've already got. It just keeps going on and on and on. Now I'm gonna explain what Sprizzy is. I'm gonna explain how I set up the promotion so that I'm earning this again on complete autopilot. I haven't touched it since. And so first and foremost, this is Sprizzy. Sprizzy is an awesome platform. It's for people that either can't rank their videos or don't know how to rank their videos, don't care to know how to rank their videos, and they got a little bit of money to spend to have Sprizzy go out and do campaigns for them, ad campaigns on YouTube's platform. It's completely legit, and to drive real traffic right to their videos. And so to use Sprizzy, all you do is you come over here, you give them your video link, tell them the target that you're going after. So are you at a gaming channel? Are you a car review channel? Whatever type of channel you are, you just let them know that. So they say, okay, we'll put this in front of people that are going to be interested in your content. And they do that by running ads, again, on YouTube's platform. And then you in turn get views, subscribers, and real engagement. And then of course there's all sorts of testimonials on here. How many views people have gained, how many likes, how many subscribers. So you can see, you know, this person got 1,470 subscribers using Sprizzy's platform. This YouTuber got 2,000 plus subscribers, 198,000 views, and so on and so on. And there's all sorts of other testimonials on here. And all you have to do is, I think, pay a minimum of 50 bucks and you get 2,000 views, at least 2,000 views. And if you spend more than $100, you get 10% bonus in views. So their goal is to get you views, but if your content's on point, you're also going to get subscribers, likes, and shares. And that's obviously not going to charge you anymore. They're just getting you the views that you wanted. Anything that happens beyond those views, it's all free. And if you're interested in checking Sprizzy out further for your own use, I'll put a link in the description. But again, this is a great platform for people that just can't seem to get traction on YouTube, can't get views to their videos, and they need a little boost. They're going to use YouTube's ad platform to get that video right in front of the people that are going to like that type of content. And so then you're much more likely to get subscribers. So I did try this service out on one of my other channels. It did work fantastic. I checked out all these reviews, so I decided to sign up for the affiliate program and do a little promotion since I trusted the product and I believed it could help. And so let's head back over to my channel and I'll show you exactly what I did. I did this simple little 10-minute video discussing what Sprizzy was and promoted it briefly. And then as you can see, I got 12,000 views to this video in about a week, just simply by using my methods to get it ranked. And getting it ranked in front of people that I knew were going to be interested in using this platform. And so that's key to doing this, but that's why I feel, again, that affiliate marketing is so powerful. And it generated a lot of commissions through Sprizzy, and I got a lot of positive feedback about the platform. But then I did a video on the power of affiliate marketing in this video right after that. So you can see this 10-minute video, and I earned $120 at that time. That was like a couple days after this. And then so people were asking me recently, hey, are you still making money with affiliate marketing in that one video? And so yes, that's what prompted me to do this video, to show that yeah, I am still making money off of that simple 10-minute video I created a week ago. And again, you can see here, this is where there was nothing. I posted that video, and then all these sales started generating to earn me these commissions. And so again, this just illustrates the power of affiliate marketing. I want to do this follow-up video because people are asking about it. So there you go, for the people that have watched this video right here and have been asking if I'm still generating income through this platform. And that's how you get it done. So for more tips on how to get your video ranked, how to promote stuff, how to earn money online, be sure to subscribe and set up your notifications. Or if you're somebody that prefers to get it all at once, watch over my shoulder and just copy me on how I do this and how I utilize YouTube's platform and affiliate marketing to earn money. Or if you're just interested in how to become a partner as quickly as possible, I have my video series in the description as well, so you can check that out too. So I hope that answered your questions, the people that are asking. And with that said, I'm going to wrap this up and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.